Now, what you didn't know about the trigonometric identity is do you come about this identity? First of all, let's remember the Pythagoras theorem. Now, the Pythagoras theorem is derived from the right-angled triangle, like the one shown here. Now, let the angle theta here, let here be angle theta. Let's call this side A, side B, and side C. So, according to where the angle theta is situated here, A is going to be our adjacent side, B the opposite, and C is the hypotenuse side. Now, from Pythagoras theorem, it states that given a right-angled triangle of this kind, let's call it triangle A, B, C, the square of the sides equals the square of the hypotenuse. That is according to Pythagoras. The first three trigonometric ratios, sine theta will be the opposite side over the hypotenuse, that is B over C. The cosine will be adjacent over hypotenuse, and the tangent is the opposite of adjacent, right? Now, from the Pythagoras theorem, let's divide through by c squared. So what we shall have is a squared over c squared plus b squared over c squared, and then c squared over c squared. From quotient rule of indices, if you have x squared over y squared, right, this one is the same as x over y everything squared, and this rule of indices is known as distribution of power across division. It means if you have x over y squared, like in this case here, this power here is distributed to both what is in the numerator and what is in the denominator, that is x squared over y squared. So applying that one here, a squared over c squared can be reduced to a over c everything squared plus b over c everything squared is equals to c over c everything squared will still be 1, right? Now, from our trigonometric ratios, a over c here is the same as cosine theta, all right? So we come and say this one is cosine theta everything squared, plus b over c on the other hand is our sine theta. So we shall have here sine theta everything squared equals to 1. Right. Now, cos theta squared is usually written as cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equals to 1. So this is the trigonometric identity we saw before here. So that tells you that the trigonometric identity cos squared theta plus sine squared theta equals to 1 is derived from the Pythagoras theorem. All right. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you in the next one.